Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think mostly students have joined. They are from commerce, science. Yes. Okay. Yes, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's Virtual Education Expo named Infinitum 2020, hosted by Darbarilal DAV Model School, Shalimar Bagh. Dear students and parents, it is correctly said, a mind troubled by doubt cannot focus on the course to victory. So let's remove our doubts and become aware and see things more clearly. Amongst us, our scholar alumni, Ms. Shilpi Sharma, is there, who has joined us to give us information about data science. So before we can start, Shrishti Gupta of class 11th will join and welcome our today's esteemed guest of this event. Yes, Shrishti from 11th C.
And I request rest of the students to please switch on your videos.
Good
Everyone,
morning, ma'am.
please. 1 minute, Shrishti. Wait. Well, let's on your videos. Everyone present here. Yes. Shivali, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Shrishti.
Someone rightly said, if a window of opportunity appears, don't pull down the shade. Such a window of opportunity is put forth on a virtual platform by our prestigious DLDAV Model School Shalimar Bagh and our Honorable Madam Principal Mrs. Reena Rajpal. Without any further ado, let's invite our esteemed alumnus guest, Ms. Shilpi Sharma of batch 2011 on this platform, who is a master's in economics and is currently working in McKinsey and Company. If any parent or student has a question, they can write it in the chat box. The questions will be asked by our in charge, Mrs. Anutali ma'am, towards the end. Ma'am, please come forward and enlighten us on the pathway of data science.
Yes, Shilpi. You can start,
Yes,
please. Yes, please.
sure. Sorry. Am I audible now? I was actually trying to speak before.
Okay, now it is
Yeah.
audible. Yes, we can hear
Thank
you.
you so much. Yeah. And I request everyone on the screen, can you guys please switch on your video? It will be actually a lot more interactive, I think.
Yes, students, switch on the videos, please, and mute yourself. Yes, Shilpi, you can see now?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you everyone for switching on your videos. I think as Srishti has introduced me well, I have done my bachelor's and master's in economics. Bachelor's from Shriram College of Commerce and then master's from Delhi School of Economics. I am currently working as a data scientist in McKinsey and Company. That's majorly a management consulting firm. So I think before starting on what is like what do I do, what is data science is the hot keywords of I think 21st century. You all must have heard about it, right? Artificial intelligence, data, and there are a lot of documentaries as well. So, I mean, let's keep it as interactive as possible. Do you have any idea what is a data scientist? What is data sciences? Hota kya hai? Or it is just like a keyword? Or is it like a scientist wearing a white coat and doing some experiment? Sorry for my lame jokes. किसी को idea है what is a data science? You guys can please feel free to unmute yourself. Maybe probably just raise a hand and then unmute.
Collection of data that appears on a notification.
Connection of data appearing on notification. Okay, very good. Okay, answer me 3 questions. Has anybody shopped from an e-commerce site, Amazon, Myntra? Has anybody done an online shopping ever? Raise
Yes,
your
ma'am.
hand if you have. Yeah. Okay. Who all have watched a series online? Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar. वो तो देखा होगा सबने.
Yes, ma'am.
YouTube भी देखा होगा. अच्छा चलो Facebook भी use करा होगा सबने. Have you guys seen those Facebook ads, Instagram ads?
Yes. Yes,
That's
ma'am.
exactly what we do. So in Amazon, while shopping, you must have seen like a recommended products. If you have bought this, you should buy this. If you like this, then you'll like this. आपने अगर ये वाला movie देखा है, then it's more likely you will watch this movie. So all this work is done by a data scientist. Now what we do is, of course, like we connect. So what we do is we try connecting your behavior with data. आपको अगर ये genre का movie पसंद है, तो we know for a fact कि आपको ये वाले genre का movie पसंद आएगा. Like more chances of liking it. So what we are trying to say is that as a typical data scientist or any data scientist working in this industry, what they do is कि वो आपका past behavior study करते हैं, सारे aspects consider कर through some technical stuff, modeling, ये सब लगाकर they try and predict your future choices. That's all that we do. And now this has been extensively been explored in all the industries. Name any industry and I'm sure you'll find an example. Banking, e-commerce, entertainment, health, any sector. It's all there. So this is exactly what a data scientist is. What they do. There are different forms. कि स्टॉक मार्केट में हम टाइम सीरीज फोरकास्टिंग करते हैं कि कल का जो स्टॉक है वो कहाँ जाएगा. ई कॉमर्स और शॉपिंग साइट्स पे हम ये प्रिडिक्ट करते हैं कि कस्टमर ने अगर कल ये लिया है तो वो कल क्या लेगा. बैंकिंग में हम ये प्रिडिक्ट करते हैं कि वो कल को कौन सा लोन ज्यादा लेगा या कौन ज्यादा अच्छे से हमारा लोन रीपे कर सकता है. This is what data science is all about. There are fancy names to say it. You can obviously say it as an artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, modeling. जहां पर भी आप ये सारे keywords समझेंगे, that essentially belongs to data sciences. I'll take a pause here. Anybody having any questions or doubts on this? Any follow-up questions? या यहाँ तक is anybody clear about it?
The algorithm of the YouTube, is that also the example of this data scientist modeling you are explaining?
Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, yes. Any other questions? How is it related to stock market? So there is something called as time series forecasting, in which we say कि यार वो पहले के टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में ऐसा ऐसा चला है कुछ भी चीज, let's say prices, वो एक साल में इस तरीके से चेंज हुए हैं. Then there are different statistical models that can be applied on that to predict कि कल का प्राइस क्या होने वाला है. प्राइस ऊपर जाने वाला है या नीचे जाने वाला है. नीचे जाने वाला है तो you sell today. ऊपर जाने वाला है तो then you buy today. All these decisions are made, I mean, basis the data sciences. Of course, like there is some business knowledge that is also applied. It's a combination of both, but there are ऐसे specific models that can tell you with certain accuracy कि यार ये ऊपर जाएगा या ये नीचे जाएगा. Any other question? Okay. So, ma'am, should we move on to the main questions or how should we go about it?
You should tell us, first of all, data
Mm,
science deals with the two words, data
mm.
and science, right?
Yeah,
As
yeah.
the word suggests that it should be for science students only,
Oh,
right? So
mm,
how do the commerce student can manage and get this data scientist as a job or as
yeah,
a future career? Yes, please.
yeah. So, ma'am, yeah, I agree that it's data and science, but honestly, it has nothing to do with science or commerce or arts students. That's a myth. I am from science, but I took up economics, and then I eventually moved to data science. So, what are the key skills required? So, honestly, no, matlab, in 11th, 12th, whatever you study is not of that much relevance. Whatever you study can be used ahead. There are basically two things that are required. Number one is basic coding skills that can be acquired and learned at any point in time. It's good if you learn in 11th and 12th. If you cannot learn it because of the stream constraint, you can very well go ahead, do some online courses and learn it. And that requires basic minimum coding. That is not like कि आपको एक proper software engineer type coding आना चाहिए, नहीं. That's basic minimum. You can just write what you are thinking. The second skill that is the key skill that is required is statistics and probability and linear algebra. These are is another set of technical skills that can be acquired in any degree that you take up ahead. आप stats honors कर लो, आप eco honors कर लो, और आजकल तो ऐसे specific courses भी आते हैं data sciences के लिए. And even if you have not done any of these are all the skills that can be acquired once like you plan to move into data sciences. मतलब currently sitting here, if you think कि मतलब it's I think relevant for all four streams, whatever the students are interested in. Yes.
Yes, very true. Now I understood this thing. Now you can move further
Okay.
according to the course. Yes.
Yes. So now, I think I've told about what are the subjects required. So majorly, if you come from a computer science background, that's relatively easy for you. If you come from statistics background, that is also relatively easy. And if you do not come from either computer science or statistics background, that is also okay. That's equal. You all are equal until unless like you are willing to learn. Now, I think I'll just talk about what are the key strengths of a data scientist. Like, what do you need to become a data scientist? One is curriculum कि यार ये पढ़ना पड़ता है, वो पढ़ना पड़ता है, ये करना पड़ता है. I think, does anybody has a question? Should I just take a pause?
Yes, students? I don't think.
Okay.
Please raise hand if you want to ask question, students. You can raise the hand in between. Yes, I can't see, I think. Yes, Shilpi, you may continue, please.
Yeah. So I think what are the key strengths to be a data scientist? देखो मतलब technical skills so you can learn at any point in time. Coding you can learn at any point in time in life. But I think one key skill that is required since this entire thing is constantly evolving. ये अभी भी चल रहा है, ये अभी भी मतलब आ रहा है. People do not know मतलब there are new innovations every day. Every single second you'll see a new algorithm coming into the market which is outbeating all others that are existing. So I think every job requires you to innovate, but I think this is one thing that will constantly require you to learn. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज आपने एक चीज सीख ली तो next 40 years तक आपका हो गया, नहीं. Every day will be a new learning experience for you. And as long as you are willing to learn, the returns are tremendous in terms of money, in terms of status, in terms of life, in terms of learning. काफी सही है. मतलब I'll come on to the scope of it, but I think the key strength number one is required is your constant urge to innovate and learn. को हर रोज सोचना पड़ेगा कि आज मुझे ये सीखना है, आज मैं ये करता हूँ, आज मैं ये अप्लाई करके देखता हूँ. The second thing is I think you should genuinely believe that what you are doing is bringing impact. काफी लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि नहीं 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 हमें अपने बिजनेस के बारे में पता है, डेटा क्या करके बताएगा हमें. अभी तो you should believe from within I'm sorry that whatever you are doing, the data is actually bringing in very very valuable results. If you are able to sell it, believe it confidently, sell it confidently, then obviously the business will integrate it. And trust me, it has done wonders. It has done wonders for whichever client I've worked for. Wherever I've implemented a single model, the results are tremendous. मतलब business ऐसे 200 करोड़ से बढ़ा है एक साल में. इस level का impact आता है in a particular bank. And I'm not exaggerating. I'm not exaggerating. The entire e-commerce business is running because of data. And the third skill I think that is required is you need to be a little logical and rational. Matlab, if you're writing a certain piece of code and it is not working, that means you are making a mistake, because computer, like, it will do what you'll say. And the entire skill is to be as logical, as rational, as constantly, you should be learning कि ये करना है, ये ऐसे होता है, अच्छा ये ऐसे नहीं तो ये ऐसे हो सकता है, which is obviously required in every other field. But since it's a new field which is constantly emerging, तो वो जो urge of improvisation है ना, वो बहुत ज्यादा होना चाहिए और होना चाहिए. Yes, I think somebody has raised a hand.
Yes, Mohit Gupta.
Will JEE main score help in becoming a data scientist? I'm sorry how it will sound, but the answer is no. It will not help anywhere. I mean, it will help in engineering, of course, but in becoming a data scientist, it's not going to help. I mean, you'll get through a good college, you'll become a good computer scientist, computer science, you'll do engineering, you'll learn coding, but you'll have to acquire other skills.
Okay. And Manan Joshi, I think he has raised
Yes,
hand.
please.
Manan Joshi. Manan Joshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, somewhere I read that in stock market BSc and SC, there is the requirement of data science for some works. So is it the previous record settings means the previous record are set because of it, or something else?
Yeah, honestly, like a data scientist or a data analyst does a lot of jobs. Modeling and predicting future is one. Other thing is just to housekeeping कि अभी क्या चल रहा है and all that. If you would have read कि stock market में a data scientist is required, it can range from variety of jobs. It can, number one is कि future price prediction भी हो सकता है. दूसरा ये भी हो सकता है कि कौन सा stock कैसे perform कर रहा है. It's basically analysis of the entire picture through data. एक पिक्चर अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं तो आप उसको आंखों से देखते हो, दूसरा पिक्चर आप डेटा से देखते हो. Eyes can be deceptive, data can never be deceptive. It will always show the exact picture. And मतलब there are a lot of things that you'll do. मतलब आप सोचो ना, अगर आपको किसी के बारे में बताना है, let's say मैम है, अगर आपको ये बताना है कि नेक्स्ट मिनट वो आपको डांटेंगी कि नहीं डांटेंगी, what all information will you need? पास्ट किन बातों पे उन्होंने हमें डांटा है, आज उनका मूड अभी कैसा है, यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग, लाइक ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी देयर विद यू. यू प्रोसेस दैट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड प्रिडिक्ट द फ्यूचर. अब ये जो जितने भी स्टेप्स हैं, दे आर ऐसे ब्रोकन इनटू 20 odd steps. मतलब it's not as fancy as I'm telling you, but in a nutshell, if you look at it from a height, it looks like this only. So yeah, the job profile can vary from, say, data handling, data cleaning to future prediction.
So it's like a probability, yes?
Yes, exactly, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so-
Yakshit. Yes. Okay, Manan. Yes, please.
Ma'am, so it is a combination of finance and data science, both compelling into a job.
It's a combination of business knowledge, probability, statistics, and computer science. Basic coding skills, all compiled into one. So that's actually an intersection of 3 Venn diagrams, if you see. I'm sorry, I don't have the picture right now, but it's a combination of computer science, business knowledge, and your statistics and probability, along with linear algebra and other stuff.
Okay.
Thank you,
Yakshit has written, I think, in chat box. Yakshit.
As you do your data science from SRCC, but if someone else do it from other DU colleges, will it be as benefited as? Yes, of course, obviously. I mean, what I studied was economics and statistics. That's what I gained from SRCC. Nowhere it has, I mean, the only 2-3 subjects that has helped me is econometrics, statistics, and probability. Like, of course, everything else for my knowledge, but in terms of what I do, it's statistics and econometrics. You do it from any other college, that's also equally helpful. The curriculum is same across all DU colleges and everywhere.
Shilpi, in my mind, there's a question. Like I have seen most of our students, they are from, whether they are from science or commerce, after the 12th, they would prefer to go for BBA or BCA, a very common course they are doing nowadays.
Yes.
And they are getting through IP University.
Mm-hmm.
Then what next if anybody wants to try after BCA or BBA? If he or she can be eligible for that, like for this data scientist, what he should do?
Okay. So, ma'am, I think you can do your graduation in any whatever subject you want, be it BCA, and this is what my personal perspective is. आप BTech कर लो, BCA कर लो, economics honors कर लो, it's all the same. As long
Okay.
as now there are dedicated postgraduate courses to become a data scientist that is offered by
Okay.
very renowned colleges. One is, I think,
Okay.
IISc in Bangalore. Then there is a collaborative course of ISI Kolkata, IM Kolkata, and then IIT Kharagpur. These three
Okay.
colleges combinedly run one PG diploma course in data science. That's also very, very helpful. So, irrespective of whatever background you come from, they teach you all these three skills, helping you to
Okay.
become a data scientist. And along with that, even if you do not want to go for a proper degree, there are online courses on Coursera. आजकल MIT में भी काफी online courses ला दिए हैं. And they are like very elaborative courses. They'll teach you coding से लेकर data science तक.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the name of colleges?
Yeah, it's IISc Bangalore. Then there is one collaborative, there's collaborative course. I don't know the name of that. That's IIT Kharagpur, ISI Calcutta, and IM Calcutta. These three colleges combinedly run a degree, and they offer postgraduate diploma in data science. And along with that, there is Lakes College, or आजकल तो बहुत सारे colleges they have started off. I think IIM Indore also have started one data science का course. Yeah.
Shilpi, online course by which name? Like,
Ma'am, online course में you can go for Unacademy. Then there is one course that is offered by MIT and Columbia. That is a little
okay.
expensive, but that's very, very good. And then there is a university in US called as Georgia Tech. वहाँ पर भी they have started, मतलब a lot of my colleagues are actually doing it. They
Okay.
have started this online course in which there are proper exams and then certification, and that's as good as like going to US and doing a degree. I mean, in terms of curriculum, exposure के
The
terms में
co
तो
yeah, the course name is data scientist. The course
data
name is
science. I'll send. Yeah, I'll
data
send you the
science.
exact name. Data science. Yeah, I'll just tell you the
Okay.
Georgia Tech wala name.
Yeah, okay, please. I will share with the all students sitting
Sure,
here.
I'll try
I know.
to.
Okay, yes, please. Yes. Any other thing, Bache, you
Yeah.
want to ask students? Go ahead. Yes, Bache?
Ma'am, I have question.
Yeah, Shrishti.
Ma'am, there is a myth
Mm.
that you need to be a PhD holder to be a data scientist. Is it true?
Not really. Not really. I think if you are a PhD, then it's good. If you are not, then also it's good. I mean, I know a lot of my colleagues who are not PhDs, but they are a brilliant data scientists. Yeah, I mean, PhD means like a specialization in a very, very particular thing. Like you're innovating a new degree, you're innovating a new theory on yourself. है ना अभी बट डेटा साइंस में क्या है कि यू नीड दिस लाइक यू नीड डेप्थ ऑफ थिंग्स एंड देन यू नीड विड्थ ऑफ थिंग्स आल्सो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि एक प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं बट यू शुड आल्सो नो कि बाकी प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं सो द आंसर टू योर क्वेश्चन इज कि PhDs डू गुड but it is not like a necessary condition for you to be a good data scientist. You can be a good data scientist with a bachelor's degree. You can be a good data scientist with even a master's degree.
Okay, ma'am.
Is the certification course helpful in getting good opportunities? Yes, absolutely, absolutely. But provided like you actually learn from that course, it should not be like a as a dummy certificate on your CV. मतलब आपने अगर कोर्स करा है then you should be actually able to replicate it because yeah data science में अभी इतना सब हो रहा है ना like a lot of people are entering in now the interviews have मतलब the person who's taking the interviews वो थोड़ा उसको पता है कि किसने करा है किसने नहीं करा है ना if you will go and say कि हाँ मुझे ये आता है he'll obviously ask questions जो आपको पता होने चाहिए so if you are able to like grasp things clear the interview I think they're equally good all people I think that I have seen they judge you on the knowledge base if you know things you are in if you do not know things then very soon you'll be out of the market and just like any other industry but यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा competition relatively अभी ज़्यादा हो रहा है because graph ऐसे बढ़ रहा है like everybody is upscaling सबको
I
अच्छा
think
करना है
Shilpi, the students must be thinking of this thing also that in India, what will be the future of the data scientist?
yeah
What's the future?
yeah ma'am and I think I was just going to come to that. I think there is a very famous saying that I've heard that data is like the new fuel of the future who will have the data will progress and will be the next superpower. अभी डेटा साइंस इन इंडिया एंड इन द वर्ल्ड इज स्टिल एक्सप्लोरिंग. अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि मार्केट सैचुरेट हो गया है, क्योंकि बिकॉज नोबडी नोज व्हाट else can we do with data. Now I've seen people like detecting cancers also with the help of data. They are doing IVFs also with the help of data. Okay, and I met someone who was actually inventing a vaccine, not for corona. He was actually inventing it for HIV in a flight, and then he was also using data sciences. His wife was a data scientist. So the future for data scientists in India and in the world is very, very bright. I think there are a lot of scopes that are essay left untapped. You go into any industry, people are still exploring and still exploring. I think data science and data is here to stay, as per my belief, for minimum 15 to 20 years before it saturates. Because there's no end to it, right? Like you come up with one algorithm, आपको इतने अच्छे इस level of accuracy पे results मिले, इतनी probability से you're finding the right answer. You come up with any better algorithm, तो और अच्छा result आ रहा है, then और अच्छा result आ रहा है.
So
And
this
this is
means that every upcoming company require the data scientist, right?
absolutely,
Yeah,
absolutely.
for their growth.
And for their growth. And most
So
of them,
many jobs are there. I think the jobs are open for the students right now. They can go for this. They can think for this, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, Bache, any other question? I am asking the questions. Please, you ask yourself. Yeah.
What is the minimum age? There is minimum age. Yeah, see, after doing the certification course, you'll directly enter into job, right? But what I'll say is do not go for, like I said, there's no minimum age. If you want to learn, you can learn right now also. But what I'll suggest is go to a proper bachelor's course, like enjoy your college life, go to a master's degree, enjoy that, and then possibly gain that level of experience, and then gain that level of knowledge, and then finally go for a job. To answer your question, there is no age for any certification. Time period for certification course is that also varies from 6 months to 1 month to 1 year. The different courses have different time periods. This is not specific, but any good course will take minimum 6 to 7 months, provided you have some basic knowledge of coding. They also teach from coding from the scratch, by the way. So I think 6 to 7 months is decent enough for a course. But a
Shilpi,
degree,
yeah. Sorry. You continue, please, if you want to
yeah.
say.
So, but the degree is majorly of 2 years. The postgraduate course that you'll do from either IISc or that 3 colleges ka combination, postgraduate diploma in business science, or you can go to DSC, from where I have done my master's from, master's in economics. That's a 2-year course.
Yeah. The 2 questions are there.
Yes. Can someone do diploma course with ongoing engineering degree? Of course you can, very well. Instead, I think in the engineering degree there can be ऐसे different projects also that you can pick up, in which you can apply data sciences. कि जैसे coding courses होते होंगे या उनमें कुछ project होता होगा, pick up a coding language, pick up a data science का course, and then do a project in data science. That will be a very good value addition to your CV. Because next जब आप job के लिए जाएंगे, तो उनको already पता होगा कि इन्होंने एक project करा हुआ data science में. You'll already be better than the lot. So yes, you can. Any language that is prerequisite for becoming a data scientist. Yeah, coding language mein, I think R and Python are currently running. In fact, Python. Everybody is now shifting to Python. But if you learn one language, I think rest all languages can be learned easily. So yeah, one coding language you should learn. And rest majorly is on job learning. Once you start the job, तो आप देखते हो कि बाकी लोग ये कर रहे हैं, and you will pick up very fast. So prerequisite is कि you should know one coding language. Python preferably. If not Python, then R or SQL or any language. I think nowadays तो school में Python सिखा रहे होंगे ना हम लोग क्या?
I don't know. Yes, students from science section.
Yes, ma'am.
Python is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Python is ideal. Which language is ideal? Python. Python is ideal. The people are shifting now towards Python. It's a growing community as ever.
Shilpi, the nowadays I keep on watching on Facebook. There's one common ad from Whitehead Junior, the coding course. This coding course is same you're talking of, or it's a different one?
Ma'am, it's a different one actually, because I haven't seen Whitehead Juniors ka, but matlab I haven't heard good reviews about it. I mean, but this coding course is a little different. क्योंकि वो बहुत एक बेसिक्स ऑफ कोडिंग बताते हैं, एंड देन इट इज मेजरली टुवर्ड्स डेटा साइंस का ही, कि डेटा फ्रेम कैसे हैंडल करना है, डेटा फ्रेम में चेंजेस कैसे करने हैं. सो ऑल दीज कोर्सेज टीच यू कोडिंग बट फ्रॉम अ डेटा साइंस पर्सपेक्टिव. कि
Okay.
अगर ऐसे आगे मतलब इन जनरल नहीं सिखाते हैं वो लोग, काफी काफी स्पेसिफिक बताते हैं कि डेटा साइंस में
Okay.
ऐसे होता है और वैसा होता है. Then there
Okay.
is a
Right.
question, I think JavaScript is used in that.
Yeah,
I
that.
I haven't used it honestly. I've been working for 4.5 years. Some jobs might require it, some jobs don't. Mine, it doesn't. And even if you need it, there'll be other people to help you out with, or you can always Google, but it's not a prerequisite.
Okay.
When we
Right.
reply to any recommendation, does this help in the data science? Means to collect the data when we reply to you. Does it help to you?
Yeah, of course,
Of
of course.
course.
I mean, whatever, even like some of the companies, it will be very surprising, I think, for everyone that आपने, I don't know if people you have noticed or not, कि अगर आप कुछ बोलते हो ना या किसी से बात भी कर रहे होते, the next minute your Instagram or Facebook they show you ads related to that. Just observe it sometimes. I have observed it a lot of times, and then I got to know that, and that's I think very confidential, that Hotstar में there is, if you go into the app, they always take permission for your mic. सो आप अपना माइक ऑन, आप अगर अपने फोन में जाकर चेक करोगे तो हॉटस्टार का परमिशन होता है दैट दे कैन एक्सेस योर माइक. सो आफ्टर एवरी 30 seconds और आफ्टर एवरी 1 minute they just pick up your 15 seconds का information. What are you talking about? And then they process it. Yeah. And this is just that I know of for sure. There are other companies that I hint that they do this. But that happens. So whatever you think, whatever, I mean, whatever you type, you search, whatever the feedback that you give, whatever you scroll through, it's all saved. It's all saved in a very proper data specific manner, and everything is processed by the data scientist. I know that might sound scary, but that is it. Even some of the bank applications, they have access to your personal messages. How many people do you speak to every day? And all this information we scrape, figure out your characteristics, and then predict whether you'll pay back the loan or not.
Very surprising.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Upgrade is running. Next question. Shilpi.
Upgrade is running a VG diploma course at IIT Bangalore. Is it beneficial? Yes, it is beneficial, but I think if you want to do it, I mean, try from the prestige colleges, wherein I don't know if this is in IIT Bangalore or not. If it is, then it's good. If it's online, then thoda soch lena. But if you're going for a PG diploma course, then ideal choices honestly will be the top 3-4 colleges, जहाँ से major recruitment होता है. Like I said, like IISc Bangalore has very good track record of placements. That 3 degree, it's online. Yeah, then you should think about it a little. अगर PG diploma course करना है, then the first choice should be to go to campus and learn. Online courses are good, they are very very good, but जो exposure campus में रहकर आता है वो, in terms of exposure I think वो थोड़ा कम होगा, because you'll be staying with another 40-50 people, you'll be learning through them also. तो ये मतलब first preference I think at your level, do a bachelor's course from any good college. Preferably अगर आपको लगता है कि you're sure that you want to go into data science, then preferably ऐसे statistics का course ले लो, economics ले लो, या computer science में ले लो for science people. Commerce people can go towards statistics, economics, BCA. And then उसके बाद जो आप अपना post graduate करो, वो आप specific data science में करो, either from India or abroad. Abroad में तो US में तो भरकर there are very very good courses there, and even in India it's there. Now once you have done that, then hit the job market, and trust me, you will rock there. Matlab, with the skill set that you have, matlab, now you have all the skills, then hit the job market, and trust me, that is going to be the hottest of the hottest sectors, the time that you guys will come for job. It will be the super highly paid industry, the fanciest jobs that are there. And I'm not luring you guys, I'm not exaggerating facts. This is how I have seen the industry to be. I entered at a very nascent stage. I entered this industry 4.5 years back. And from then to now, it's booming like crazy. Everybody is going for data sciences now. But obviously, there is a distinction between good and bad. And you guys should aspire to be the best. Yes. Any more questions? Instagram shows ads related to our chats. Yeah, even WhatsApp, I think that's my personal assumption. Even WhatsApp can analyze your chats, by the way. It says it's encrypted, but I don't think it is. And they can, right? Like, isn't that illegal? Um, that's a very thin line. As long as you can prove that they are using your chats, then probably it's illegal. And they're very powerful here. Data science requires AI also. Okay, what is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. Now, if you demystify artificial intelligence, it's like artificial and then intelligence. That's sort of a computer's intelligence or an algorithm's intelligence. So, what data science does is it makes the artificiality or the computer or the algorithms intelligent. So, there is a thin line between machine learning and artificial intelligence. That's in artificial intelligence is one level up, but it all comprises of data science. So AI in itself, when somebody says कि AI क्या होता है, just think about it. AI is like artificial intelligence of any data, any computer or any artificial thing, be it an algorithm or anything. अब आपका data science क्या कर रहा है? वो सब कुछ link कर रहा है, and it is at the end of the day making the machine more intelligent. मतलब आपने कोड लिख दिया, आपने सब लिख दिया, and at the end of the day machine ही बता रहा है ना हमें कि इसको क्या sell करना है next. So yeah. So AI, machine learning, जहाँ पर भी data science, जहाँ पर भी आप ये सारे words सुने, ये keywords सुने, they are very very similar to each other. Predictions are being done by data scientists experts for 2021. How do they do these? 2021 elections or 2021 choices?
Anything related to 2021 is being predicted from now only.
I think whatever you are going to do the next minute is being predicted, leave alone 2021. Matlab, what is going to be your next action is being predicted now. How do they do these predictions? So, matlab, I'll tell you a very small case. आप कोई भी एक real time मतलब कि whatever, if you are scrolling through Facebook, then all your data is at that point in time getting saved. Once it is getting saved, within a minute, the machine processes that information, throws out a result, and that result is an ad. So you're understanding that's like a constant to and fro process. You do one action, they give out an outcome. You process that outcome, they give out a reaction. So how they do it is they collect all your data, save it. They write a super fancy algorithm on it. Algorithm means some statistical models or deep learning framework, any boosting models, could be sub statistics mein aap padhenge aage. These are very technical terms, I think. I'll not go into deep into that. So consider like a machine. Consider it like a machine that processes all your information, processes it, throws an outcome. That machine is written by the data scientist. And that requires, by the way, supremely computing power चाहिए होता है कंप्यूटर को प्रोसेस करने के लिए. बड़े बड़े फ्रेमवर्क्स चाहिए होते हैं. सोचिए ना, मतलब आपका जो डेटा है वो एक फ्रेमवर्क में जाएगा, उस कंटेनर में जाके सेव होगा, फिर मतलब कंसिडर लाइक अनदर प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस. आपने सेव करे सारे रॉ मटेरियल विच इज योर डेटा, वो डेटा फ्लो होगा एक मशीन में विच इज रिटन बाय द डेटा साइंटिस्ट. वो मशीन प्रोसेस करेगी और आउटपुट थ्रो करेगी in supremely raw terms, I think, if I can explain that. Next question is, Microsoft Windows also collects our data. Yeah, everyone does. Yeah, everyone does, and that's not. There's nothing wrong in that. Please don't be scared by that. Everyone does it, and it helps business make good and more relevant decisions. कि देना चाहिए कि नहीं देना चाहिए, ads कौन सा देना चाहिए. And आप देखो ना, Amazon पर भी आपके पास में recommendation कितना काफी बार अच्छा आता है कि ये भी ले लो तो ये भी ले लो, and then that helps, right? And then, is there any way to stop that data saving? Why will you want to do that? Well, of course, like there should be limitations कि ये सेव करना है, वो नहीं, थोड़ा रेगुलेशन होना चाहिए, बट स्टॉप मत करो यार, कहाँ जाएंगे हम लोग? Would it help a KVPY fellow to get into the best colleges for data sciences? Yeah. देखो, मतलब your IIT mains, JEE mains course, KVPY fellow and everything, they'll help you because you know you are better at it. मतलब if you have that thing in you, if you want to learn, आप कर सकते हो, तो all these things will definitely help you. But हाँ, out of the way जाकर कुछ favor नहीं मिलेगा, ये बात है. But मतलब it's all equal यार. It's all on merit. Nothing is going to favor you. If you are good, you'll be in. If you're not good, then you have to work a little harder. That's it. So should we use Linux? You can use Linux, you can use Windows. That is absolutely okay. You shouldn't bother about it right now. Just consider that you learn one basic coding language. And then I think फिर विंडोज पे करो कि लिनक्स पे करो सेम ही बात है मतलब इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा नेक्स्ट इज स्टार्टेड पैकेजेस फॉर डेटा साइंटिस्ट मतलब आई एम सॉरी आई डिडंट गेट दिस क्वेश्चन कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट Yakshit
Salaries basically.
oh starting packages for data science oh I'm so sorry yaar okay matlab first of all you guys are very young to know this don't think about money and that's the answer that you will listen but लगा लो यार top 5% in terms of remuneration if you ask me it's generally starts from 12 to 13 lakhs and then there's no limit to it there's absolutely no limit to it जितना मतलब and then majorly मैंने तो देखा है कि लोग like they work for some time and then they start their own company so please money is not the limit here nothing is the limit basically and nothing is defined कुछ predefined भी नहीं है यहाँ पर you can be as good as you want you can earn as much as you want of course you have to work hard that is the basics in every industry also but यहाँ पर थोड़ा और fight मारना पड़ेगा क्योंकि कोई defined process नहीं होगा आपके लिए कि आप जाएंगे और आपको बोलेंगे ये 5 चीजें करो तो हो जाएगा ऐसा नहीं है आपको खुद से सब कुछ फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा some level of pre-definition but majorly you have to work hard in it but don't think about money money will come to you in whatever profession you are सब में मिल जाएंगे पैसे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता लॉन्ग रन में any other question
Yes, Shilpi, tell us some more thing about which we are left to hear.
Yeah, so I think ma'am majorly whatever I wanted to cover I have covered it matlab yeah I think majorly these all were the 4-5 points that I wanted to cover
There's
maybe
one more question, Shilpi,
Okay.
I think, in the chat box.
One should be great in programming for data scientist. Is it so? Yeah, to be matlab, completely honest, I think I'm in a very safe zone in my own school with my own juniors. I think I can be as honest as I can ever be. I never learned programming. I had computer science in 11th and 12th. And then for the next 5 years of my life, I didn't even touch computer. Matlab, मैं economics पढ़ती थी. I wanted to do PhD in economics and all that. And then I started learning coding when I joined my job. When I joined from DSC, Delhi School of Economics, I went to Citibank in Bangalore. There I started learning coding. और तब इतने ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज भी नहीं होते थे एंड दिस इज लाइक 5 years back down the line तो इतना ऑनलाइन था नहीं तब सब कुछ आई लर्नड इट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग आई एम नॉट अ बेस्ट कोडर आई एम नॉट यू डोंट नीड टू बी ग्रेट इन प्रोग्रामिंग यू शुड बी डिसेंट इन प्रोग्रामिंग डिसेंट मतलब आप जो सोच रहे हो जो लॉजिक आप सोच रहे हो अपने दिमाग में वो आप कोड कर पा रहे दैट इज इट एंड मतलब आजकल ऑनलाइन इतना अवेलेबल है तो इतना फाइट नहीं आता है मतलब you should learn basics of coding and that is okay you will learn on job okay I think somebody has raised a hand no?
Yes, Shreyansh.
Ma'am, is it necessary for someone to be genuinely come from the computer science background? If someone is completely zero in that, can he become a data scientist?
Yes, of course see मतलब मैंने जब आप लोग को पाइथन सिखाते हैं हम लोग को C++ सिखाते थे उस टाइम पे एंड C++ एंड पाइथन थोड़ा रिमोटली कनेक्टेड है बट आई नो माय कलीग्स हु हैव डन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग मतलब 11 12 में दे हैड मेडिकल and then they did civil engineering from IIT BHU and now she is a fabulous data scientist so it is absolutely not related but yeah देख obviously मतलब आप अगर कंप्यूटर सीख लेते हो तो थोड़ा आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगा आपको बाद में कम एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा but having said that if you do not have any computer science background that is perfectly okay बस वो तुम्हें वो अर्ज होना चाहिए सीखने का कि यार मुझे सीखना है चाहे कैसे भी करके सीखो मुझे सीखना है and then things will figure out. That urge is important. I think that willpower is important. मतलब सब लोग ऐसे बोलते होंगे, but this is genuinely the case. Now I think I have two more questions. Number one is, please briefly explain what have you done after 12th. So I had non-medical in 12th, computer science. Then I went to SRCC for my bachelor's in BA Economics Honors. करके SRCC में एक degree होता है. I did that for 3 years. Then I went for my MA in economics from Delhi School of Economics. That's also a college in DU, just right beside Hindu. From there, I did my master's in economics. Post my master's, I joined Citibank as a data scientist. Post Citibank, I then moved to McKinsey, which is a consulting firm which deals with various banking and other clients, to work as a data scientist for them. I chose to move because Citibank में मुझे सिर्फ सिटी के लिए काम करने को मिल रहा था. यहाँ पर आके I can move across a lot of clients. So it's little more exciting. Any questions, Mohit? Any other thing that you wanted to specifically ask, or is it okay?
So, specifically in which field you are doing the data science?
Yeah, I have been majorly associated with banking. मैं ज़्यादातर banks के लिए data science करती हूँ. There are my other colleagues जो ऐसे manufacturing जैसे Tata Steel, ITC इन लोग के लिए काम करते हैं. I majorly work for banks.
तो बैंकिंग तो बेसिकली फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड हो गई, और आपने तो जैसे इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स वगैरह करी, तो कैसे दोनों कोरिलेट हो सकती हैं?
यार इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स से मैंने बेसिकली मैंने कहा ना कि मतलब आई लर्न इकोनॉमिक्स, स्टैटिस्टिक, इकोनोमेट्रिक्स एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी. These are the 4 key pillars that helped me in data science. अब बैंक में there are different divisions. One is that I'm sorry. Yeah, one is that handles specifically finance part of it. कि कहाँ पर क्या करना है, कैसा करना है. One part of it that takes care of the loans and the collections. What I do basically, okay, I'll just explain very briefly one of the project that I worked on. One thing that I did was I found out the customers who are the safest in terms of returning the loan. Let's say if out of 1,000 people, 500 people applied for a loan, I know who all people can repay the loan back with higher chances. That's what I do. That's what I found out in that project. तो पूरा एक मॉडल बनाकर एंड डिलीवरेबल में कि आपने अगर आपका लोन एप्लीकेशन भरा है, आपको पता होगा if anybody or you might have seen your parents applying for a loan in a bank, तो they go through a list of documents, right? आपको ये भी देना है, ये भी देना है, ये भी देना है, ये भी देना है. All this information is taken, processed, and then a final score is given to you. That final score is through a model, that whether you can repay the loan back or not. Yes, exactly. That's how a credit score thing works. But credit score जो होते हैं, जैसे जो bureau, CIBIL, ये सब जो scores होते हैं, they also take in your past payment behavior. कि आपने कौन से loan में कितने पैसे दिए हैं, कौन से loan में कितने पैसे नहीं दिए हैं. They also take in that information and then they give out a score to you. But जब एक bank एक specific loan process करता है, जब कोई भी एक बैंक एक स्पेसिफिक लोन प्रोसेस करता है, तो दे टेक मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम यू. वो सारा का सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन लेकर हम प्रोसेस करते हैं कि आप कहाँ पर रहते हैं, आपका सैलरी पास में कितना रहा है, कितना लोन दिया है, हैव यू एवर डिफॉल्टेड ऑन अ लोन एंड सो ऑन. ये सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लेकर प्रोसेस करते हैं और एक फाइनल स्कोर देते हैं. दैट फाइनल स्कोर विल डिसाइड वेदर यू विल गेट द लोन और नॉट. दैट्स व्हाट आई डू. And there are a lot of couple of other interesting projects which I can connect offline to anyone of you. You guys, by the way, can connect with me. I'll just leave out my details before leaving. Ma'am, is engineering important for data scientists? Not really, yaar. I am not an engineer, and I know a couple of others who are not, but they are good data scientists. So, engineering is not important. मतलब आप दोनों में तीनों में से कोई भी एक स्किल सीख लो. Either you learn probability, statistics, either you learn computer science. जो भी आप सीखोगे दूसरे पार्ट में आपको खुद से सीखना पड़ेगा. मैंने statistics सीखा, मैंने computers खुद से सीखा, and either ways आप engineering कर computer सीख लो और statistics खुद से सीख लो, और maybe combinedly एक post graduate course कर लो. मेरे टाइम पर available नहीं था. Government also recruits data scientists. Yes, they do. They recruit data analysts. Data scientists, I don't know. Honestly, मैंने नहीं देखा अभी तक. There are couple of organizations जैसे Invest India और ये सब, जहाँ पर ये लोग recruit कर रहे हैं data scientists, but not much. But by the way, the political consulting firms, they are massively hiring data scientists. Political consulting firms are those who are hired by political parties to win elections. I have been offered a job from there, so that's why I was thinking. So yeah, government not sure, but they will in future, of course. For being a data scientist, what are the beneficial courses after 12th? Yeah, take up any coding course, take up statistics, take up econometrics, probability. These are very helpful. And combinedly कुछ post graduate diploma मिल जाए तो काफी सही है. So if you ask me what should be the road ahead, I think you guys should focus on either getting into one of these streams. Either you go to some coding course, BCA या BTech में कुछ computers में, or you go to probability and statistics के courses. जैसे economics में काफी extensively पढ़ाते हैं, statistics honors में काफी extensively पढ़ाते हैं. ये सब courses में आप अपना bachelor's कर लो. उसके बाद जब अपने मास्टर्स के लिए जाओ, then you look for specifically data sciences courses either in India or abroad. 3-4 I have told you. I'll maybe share a list of others that are there that I know with ma'am, and then she can share it with you guys. And then possibly that's it. I think that then you'll be good. बाकी सब on job learning है. फिर job join करके सब सिखा देंगे वो लोग. Difference in information security analyst and data scientist. यार डेटा साइंटिस्ट वो डेटा प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करता है, मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी एनालिस्ट बेसिकली मतलब दे एनालाइज कि क्या क्या हमारे पास में, मतलब इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ एन एनालिसिस ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज डन, कि ये सारे हमारे पास में डेटा है, उसको कैसे एनालाइज करना है, कितना रखा है, कहाँ रखा है. डेटा साइंटिस्ट इज समवन हु वर्क्स ऑन इट, मतलब यू कैन कीप से इट एज अ वेयर हाउस कीपर जो सब संभालता है, और डेटा साइंटिस्ट इज समवन हु वर्क्स ऑन इट, मतलब वो डेटा उठाकर उसको प्रोसेस करता है, दूसरा वाला उसको थोड़ा हाउस कीप करता है. How long does it take for a beginner to be a data scientist? See, up now, good data scientist is very abstract. There is, मतलब ऐसे there can always be better data scientists, but to come to a decent level, I think 6 months to 1 year is more than sufficient. More than sufficient. If you are seriously pursuing it, irrespective of how much, मतलब ऐसे how much your time, मतलब तो अगर आप seriously करो तो 6 महीने से साल is more than sufficient for you to go for it. Yeah, but you have to keep improving. मतलब वहां पर जाकर भी you have to keep learning. Can't be like कि कोर्स के बाद हो गया सब. जैसे जैसे इंडस्ट्री बड़ी होगी हमें भी होना पड़ेगा साथ में. Any more questions? Please share your profile. Okay, I'll share my LinkedIn profile with you guys. I'll share my contact details as well. You guys can connect with me whenever you want. Just a minute, I'll just share it here only. Yeah, in the meanwhile, any other questions that you guys have? I'll be happy to take them. That's my LinkedIn profile, guys, in case you guys want to connect with me. You guys can connect with me on LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta, wherever, mail, whatever you guys are comfortable with. I'll be always happy to help. Can you specify a university for data sciences? Yeah, if you want to do it from abroad, then there are, okay, sorry, if you want to, okay, so first question, can you specify a specific university? Yeah, there are a lot of universities, honestly, abroad में बहुत ज़्यादा है, अब तो इंडिया में भी धीरे-धीरे scope आ रहा है. I'll share a list of all comprehensive industry universities offering good data science courses and having good placements with ma'am in India and in abroad. So whichever one you want to pursue. मैम आपके साथ शेयर कर दूंगी like by आज शाम तक.
Okay, sure.
What if a prediction gets proved wrong in future? What happens then? Okay, so yeah, nothing in certain is this world, right? Coronavirus तो किसी ने predict नहीं करा था. All our models would have failed by then. So there is always a chance that it might not be 100% accurate. It will be more or less accurate. But that's what you can do, right? Like, मतलब we are anyways better than the business जो अपने मन से कोई decision ले रहे हैं. We are taking in all the data and then making a decision. What happens? Nothing happens here. We just learn from our mistakes. हम देखते हैं कि पिछली बार हमारा ये डिसीजन गलत क्यों गया है, हो सकता है कुछ एक क्रिटिकल पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन हम मिस कर रहे हैं. We put it back into the model and the model is then better performing. So every mistake is an equal opportunity for the next best model. It's always a self-learning process.
Yes, bache, any other thing you want to ask students? I think with the constraint of time, we should.
No, ma'am. Absolutely. So, ma'am, I think I'll just jot down my email ID and my contact number here in case anybody wants to contact me. But please, guys, just WhatsApp me because call पर शायद मैं इतना readily answer नहीं कर पाऊँ. Actuarial science, the data science of insurance. No, right? No, yeah, it's not. Actuarial science is something very, very different. That's my contact number. That's my email ID. You guys can connect with me whenever you want. Actuarial science is a little different. It goes through the in and out of insurance industry. It does not involve data science. It involves data analysis. कि क्या लाइफ जर्नी होना चाहिए, उसके ये की पैरामीटर्स के बेसिस पे कैसे होता है. It is little different from data science. It's altogether actually a different ball game. I'm more than happy. I think
Shilpi, I should say something now. I feel very proud when one of your student like you grows like you, and I'm very sure that everyone sitting here, they enrich their knowledge today, right? Even me also, I'm getting, sufficiently enrich myself with the data science, and really I'm really getting a very good knowledge. And still some doubts and questions are still, I think, in the minds of the student. They must be in contact with you. You have already shared the email ID and the telephone number. So I personally thank you. And with my colleague, Shivali Bajaj is there as a computer person, wants to thank you for such interactive session. But one of our students from 11th, Tamanna Khurana, wants to say something to you. Tamanna, please say.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Now, on behalf of our DLDAV family, I would like to thank our esteemed guest, Ms. Shilpi Sharma, for coming here today and enlightening us with her knowledge. The session was extremely insightful and interesting. I would also like to extend gratitude towards our Madam Principal, Mrs. Zeena Rajpal, for organizing such a path-breaking event and allowing us all such fruitful opportunities via this virtual platform. I would also like to thank the parents, students, and viewers from all across Delhi for joining us today. Thank you, everyone.
I also want to thank students sitting here. They are so patient. They are so interactive today. Really, I am impressed. Really, yes, please. Shilpi, you want to say? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, first of all, for inviting me every year. It's honestly a big honor to come back to the campus. And I love interacting with students because even I want to share whatever I'm learning, whatever knowledge I didn't have back then. And I'm extremely grateful to you that every year you reach out, and then I'll always be very, very happy to help in whatever form and shape I can. So
Same
thank you
here,
so much.
Shilpi, we also feel proud, so that other students can also understand that this is the student from our side, from our DAV family, right? Yeah, please. Okay, students.
चलो कोई नहीं जरूरी आइटम लो नहीं तो अपना आराम करो
Okay,
शिवाली म्यूट कर दीजिए
आराम नहीं मतलब कि जाओ ड्यूटी दो
शिवाली
जितना निकल जाए बढ़िया
आप मत
Yes,
बैठ
ma'am,
बैठ
I'm
जाते
doing
ये
it.
ज्यादा
Please
खोल
mute.
नहीं रहे इसको
बस अब वो बटन
Wait. Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
म्यूट
नहीं तो मैं पता है लेकिन इसलिए मैं वो खोल ही नहीं तो मैं तो बैठ के आगे कर चुका था टेबल को जैसे पहले करी थी ना है ना
That's
साइड
okay,
में बैठा
ma'am.
था मैं भी आज
Okay, let's mute that Lakshay. Lakshay, mute yourself. Okay. Yes, Shilpi.
Yes, ma'am. I think it's almost time. I actually have to run for another meeting. I am actually
Okay.
currently not at home. I am actually in Mumbai.
Okay. So
Yeah,
very nice.
that's why I said कि थोड़ा session move करना पड़ेगा. But luckily, I think figured out हो गया है.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, students. You can leave, please. Thank you, Shilpi.
All right,
See you
ma'am.
soon.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Take care. Bye-bye.